Hi everyone, today with me I have Carote. This is such a nice set of pots and pans, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it all open to show you everything you're going to receive. Alright you guys, I have everything unpacked and I want to break down exactly what you're going to get. So here in the corner you can see you're going to get 3 lids, a small, a medium, and a large, and they should all fit within the 5 other pans and pots you're going to receive. So the first big ones right here are the saute and frying pans. Check it out, nice and big, perfect for making anything from meat to maybe a little morning quesadilla. I love those. And I do want to note that most of these have the little spout on the side, so it's great for removing any last sauces that are left over in the pan to really give it that much more flavor. Putting those aside, you're also going to get a little spatula. I absolutely love this one. It is birthday themed, super great so you don't scrape the bottom of your pans and pots. Moving over here, you also are going to get a little steamer that fits on top of your sauce pan. Here it is. It is great to steam vegetables, make dumplings, or anything else. Check this out. Also has the spout, super great for soup as well. You're also going to get this big carousel. This is a 4.3 ounce one, so it is awesome to make anything that is big, maybe some rice, some stew right here, or even a little soup. And then you also have a smaller frying pan for making a couple eggs in the morning for breakfast. This brand truly thought of everything, and this is such a great starter kit for your kitchen, or if you're looking to upgrade, I definitely recommend these. I also love the color of the handles. They're absolutely gorgeous, and the frying pan just looks incredible with these colors. They also have different ones as well, but this cream or white, off-white-ish one just looks that much better. I absolutely adore this, and it is such a great kit for your kitchen. You can check this one out on Amazon. I definitely recommend it.